I've got a new studio. What's up guys? First off, let me apologise for being so lax on YouTube. It's been a bit of a hectic month trying to get this place all sorted and put together, but now it's done. And that means I have a permanent filming setup, I have a permanent teaching setup, I have a permanent editing suite, which is behind the camera over there, and I can start putting out the content that I always wanted to do. Good videos with B-roll, I can shoot when I want, I can record things easily, I can shoot interviews. It's just all set up for me to do this. So, before I show you what it looks like, let me show you how I built it. Here we go. So after about 6 or 7 years, I now have to move studio to a bigger place, it turns out. It was a bit scary. Remember I talked about in my 2019 recap, looking forward 2018 recap video, having to find a new studio, and that was a stress. So what I want to do is I want to show you the move, I want to show you the building stuff we're doing, I want to show you me decorating it, I want to show you me building it and all the squad of family and friends I've got to put it together so that it can be a multi-purpose space. Because currently, this is what my room looks like. Currently my space is kind of like a small multi-purpose teaching space. We've got a practice pad station, metronome, got my kit, electric kit that I teach on, and the acoustic kit. It's kind of like some acoustic panels, and then spin around on my desk. All in all, it's 3 meters by about 3 and a bit meters. It's quite small. It's also, see if I stand up, like that's the ceiling. So see if you're trying to put lights up above, you can have overhead mics. It's a bit of a pain in the bum. Because this is my teaching space, having to film stuff, all of the stuff has to come out and new stuff gets put in. Now what I'd usually do is I'd film in a large block. So all the videos that you've seen on my channel so far since September, so we're talking 8 months, were all filmed in a 1-week filming session. So that's good because it means I've got a lot of content I don't need to film. But the reality is that if I don't like the way it looks, I don't like the way it sounds, if I make some mistakes, like a lot of you noticed that my crash cymbal in all the last videos covers up the hi-hat, I can't change it. If a video didn't work, if my delivery wasn't as good and as concise as I wanted it to be, that video would be put in the bin, destroyed, delete the footage kind of stuff. In the new space, it's going to be even better. I can make better lessons, I can do them easier with less setup time, which means I can make them more regularly and make better content, better videos for you guys. It currently looks like crap. Yeah. But I think it's gonna look pretty cool. I have a filming area here. I put some rigging up, change those lights because they're horrible. Nice backdrop to do some talking head stuff. We have some teaching along here and an entrance office area. So we've stripped some walls. We've created a mess of incredible amounts. My achievement is to stuff this wall. Noise be gone. So day 1, 2 and 3. First time ever trying to build a studio. Every time it's either been in a house or I've just rented a room pre-existing. I learned a lot about how much things cost. Day 1 was mainly stripping wallpaper. The main job that day was to flesh out the walls. So we fleshed out the walls with some 2x2, built basically false walls, stuffed it full of rock wool, and then put some sound block, which is double density plasterboard, which again is designed to block sound. Day 2 we started to prep the walls, we started to build the backdrop. So day 2 was mainly painting, mainly kind of prepping. And day 3 was kind of, let's start getting this into shape. My vision for what happened or what I wanted out of the room came together. It's been really fun, a bit stressful, but I'm really excited to get into the room, really excited to set up and get things on the go. So I will show you what I do on Monday when we go back in.
New space. It's come together quite well, I think. Today's the final building day, so we're going to be doing some finishing up the big door to keep the sound in. Then I can start thinking about acoustic treatment here. It's quite lively. So there'll be carpets going down and rugs and things, standard drummer things. I'm going to get painting. So it is first day of teaching here in the new studio. The place looks like an absolute bomb site. I've got a couple of hours to turn it around, but I'm in. I've moved stuff, I've set drum kits up, I have a studio editing thing set up, shelves are on, and we're good to go. So let's see how we get on.
And welcome back. So as you saw, it was a process and a half. Now, from the point at which I found the room to the point at which I actually moved in and was set up like you see today, it's been like 3 or 4 months to get it to that stage with lots of planning and then like a pretty intensive 4 days. Anyway, now I've teased you enough. Really happy with the way it's turned out. The backdrop looks great, the sort of drum kit area looks great. It's starting to sound pretty good as well. I've put some acoustic panels up as you saw. And I'm just really excited to make some really great videos showcasing some of my ideas which I really believe in and hopefully getting out to you guys and helping you become better drummers. So I hope you subscribe as always. I hope you share this around with your friends. I hope this has inspired you to make your own space or to push forward with that dream of owning a space. But until next week's lesson, take care.